Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. Tex Mex Tater Tot Pizza. Parchment paper lined baking pan. Add half a bag of tater tots. Bake at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Flip them. Bake 10 more minutes. Reserve 2 cups of tater tots. Mozzarella cheese. Tater tots. Salsa. Pickled jalapenos. Pickled jalapenos add a nice little kick. Woo! Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Flour pizza peel. Slide peel under dough. 1 cup salsa. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 2 cups tater tots. Half a cup of pickled jalapenos. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Tex Mex Tater Tot Pizza. A Tex Mex Tater Tot Pizza. That is super good. It was really good. Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.